I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by logging into your affiliate program and locating your unique affiliate ID. This ties conversions to you, so don't skip it. Next, pick the exact product page you'll promote and copy that URL because precision matters for tracking. Once you have both, open the merchant's link builder or your affiliate dashboard and paste the product URL. Then insert your ID or select a campaign tag. This creates the initial affiliate link you'll test and refine. Once done with the raw link, customize it so you can track performance. Append UTM source, medium, and campaign values to distinguish channels and content. Then shorten or cloak the link using a reputable tool, but make sure the destination is visible to users to preserve trust. Make sure to test the link in an incognito window to confirm redirects work and cookies are set. This verifies your ID passes through and the merchant records conversions properly before you publish the link. Publish your affiliate link where it fits best, blog post, email, or social, while adding a clear disclosure so you stay compliant. After publishing, monitor clicks and conversion rates in your affiliate dashboard and analytics to see which placements convert. Make small changes and retest. If tracking fails or conversions don't register, troubleshoot. Confirm your affiliate ID is intact. Inspect redirect chains and link parameters. Check cookie duration and whether ad blockers interfere. Then correct and retest to restore accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.